Hey guys, so I'm here, I'm back. Anyway, so I'm about to go and do my little mammogram thingy or whatever and hope that all is well once I get my results back. I just want to tell all my ladies, you know, if you're of that age and it's that time for your breast mammograms, make sure you're doing that like you're supposed to so you can stay on top of everything. Breast cancer does run in my family, so I'm very, very, very on top of things when it comes to stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna go in here and I'm gonna go have my breast mammogram today, guys. Until then, I'll see you guys. Bye. Oh my gosh, y'all, so I'm in Dollar Tree and I came in here to get some zip ties because I didn't want to staple my garland on my stairway this year. How can I say this without it being a big issue? I really like coming in here, I do, because I find all kinds of little stuff, but it gets to the point where you gotta sneak and record. So I don't know if that's allowed in y'all's Dollar Tree or not, but here, like, if you're caught with your camera and stuff, they make you put it up. So if I'm talking low, I'm just trying to be like incognito or whatnot. Let's see. Yeah. So it just makes me feel some type of way, like, cause I like showing y'all stuff. And if I can't like hold my camera and do, and I gotta like be like this, it makes me feel some type of way. It almost make you feel like you're stealing or something, but I ain't stealing, you know. But anyway, I don't know what to say. I'm just like over it. But I did get some of these to see if this will help with holding my garland up, y'all. You don't get 8 in a pack. Because like I said, I don't want to staple my garland this year. I don't want to do that. I like coming in here, y'all. Does your Dollar Tree have these? I got another flavor. We're putting up the gingerbread house today, y'all. Yay. I hope I got the strength. I'm gonna go because I feel like I'm being followed. I was trying to see if they had any other little goodies I could show y'all. That was something new I had never seen. You're fine. Let's go to the food section. This will be good on some iced coffee, y'all. I'm getting it. Hello. You sent me a picture? Okay. So before I get started on my gingerbread house, I gotta like kind of bring myself back. So I'm about to make me an iced coffee. I'm gonna show y'all something. So I got these from Dollar Tree too. These little things right here. These little packets of coffee. And I put one packet of this right here, right, in this jar, as you can see. And then I put like maybe like 1 tablespoon of sugar of this in there. And then I put like a little bit of hot water from my fountain over there in here, like that. And then what I do is I shake it up, put a lid on it. And I shake, Shania, shake my shake. So I shake it and I shake it till it gets like kind of foamy. Like, you see how it's foaming up? Y'all see that? Alright, I'm gonna open it up. See how that foam is running out? This is my homemade coffee I do at home when I don't go to Starbucks or anywhere else. I just make it at home. And I shake it till it gets real foamy. And then, I'm not gonna use this kind, but I normally use one of these, but my favorite is this one right here. I like this. Whipped cream. So I'm gonna take some of this and I'm gonna get my cup. Whenever I go to Starbucks, I always get the drizzle in my cup. Because sometimes they don't do it unless you ask, or if they feeling happy, they'll do it. So, yeah, I do that. And then I take a few cups, little hands, a cup, whatever. Put some ice in there. And then I make and brew my own coffee, and then I'll put it back in here and let it chill for a little bit. And I'll pour that over in there like that, like so, about right there. And the kind that I have that I brewed is the butterscotch. It's the smoked butterscotch coffee by Starbucks. And then again, I'll shake. You can do this in any order that you want, whatever floats your boat. And then I'll pour a little bit of this in there. Creamer. Shake it up again. And then I'll pour a little bit of that on top. Just like that. Then I add a little bit more creamer, like that. And then I shake my whippy up. Look like it's about time for me to get some more. So this was the cinnamon that we had got from Dollar Tree, guys. I'm gonna try it on top of my, what's the name? On top of my coffee. I always shake it on the top. Can't be that bad because it's cinnamon and sugar. I'm a little heavy-handed on stuff too. Put my lid on. And straw, whichever color, whatever font you fancy, but pink is my favorite color. Stir it up like that, like so, and woo! Gingerbread, here we come.